ओके, गया कॉलेज.
हेलो सर. सर मैं गया कॉलेज का स्टूडेंट सर. सर माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट as you have mentioned that inner values cannot be developed in a day, it is a gradual process. Then my question is that if a child has developed with a negative values, then what should a parent or teacher should do so that he can eradicate the negative values from that very child or student?
Because again, I think the children,
Yes.
as I mentioned briefly, parents also have great important role. Firstly, as a parent, and particularly mother, should provide maximum love towards child. Then, with genuine sense of concern about the future of the child. You see, sometimes it may necessary a little bit harsh word. And some cases, if the child is too much sort of stupid way, won't listen, you see, your sort of reasons or logic, then sometimes it may necessary, you see, a little bit sort of physical action, but not out of anger, but genuine sense of concern, his or her well-being. Then eventually, you see, even you see hard hard students or a child, I think can change. Change will not take place within one day, within 1 week or 1 month. I think change our emotion takes time, not easily, but you need constant effort. That's my view. Okay.
Yeah, thank you sir.
Now, Green Memorial.